perfectly timed photos taken right before tragedy. The race for life on first. Starting our list of 10 perfectly timed photos taken right before the tragedy at number 20 is that this photo which captures the precise moment before a bike racer is met with some horrifying possibilities. You can find the racer after possibly losing his balance find himself on the bottom with the bike over him, up within the air close to the land on him. What's even frightening is that there could be other racers behind him also who might crash onto him. So on next we have the biggest splash. Next on number 9 on our list is that this soon to be wet photograph where we see two surfers returning or going to beach. Now rain sometimes can spoil your days in additional ways than you will imagine evident by this photograph. As a car passes through a pool of water accumulated from a possible rain, it's creating a huge mud water splash which is close to hit the two surfers walking past by. This moment is perhaps the last time they will dry, a minimum for a short time. And next we have paparazzi. On our list on 8 number is that this hilarious capture where we see a lady cheering on in what appears to be a concert. As a glass filled with water is close to hit her, the spill creates a gorgeous shape mid-air and it seems that the cameras are everywhere her capturing this moment. And next we have not the only one. Coming it and 7 number on our list is jaw-dropping image where we see a rower within the middle of the ocean on his boat along being followed by a whooping shark from behind. Well, we only hope that the shark maintain its distance and stop haunting the person. Next we have an unexpected visit. Next up at number 6 is that this terrifying photo where we see a bull trashing up to the audience in what seems to be a bullfighting event. It probably sums up everything that's wrong with bullfighting where we are every day putting the lives of animals and players and audience in jeopardy. And next we have moment of terror. Grabbing the 5th spot on our list 20 perfectly timed photos taken right before tragedy is that this image from the planet of sports. Seems like this player was not ready for throwing the ball. This point her expression says it's all. On next we have Sneaky Sneaky. Coming in at number 4 on our list is that this terrifying image where we see a policeman fighting a rather unusual culprit as he pulled over to the side of a road, possibly within the highway to talk someone over. He was sneaked in from behind by this 6-foot alligator. This duel continued for 20 minutes before the alligator moved into water again. As per one of the cop was trying to talk before he caught a lock break as he escaped directly. Next we have Catch Me If You Can. Next up at number 3 is that this gorgeous photograph on an audience member from a baseball match who is about to get hit in a very wrong way, very imaginable. As the ball is restricted the pavilion, it hits this man in green. The expression before he endures the pain are something that everyone seeing will feel this only and if this moment could are paused and ordered. Next we have blurred vision. Coming in at number 2 in our list is that this optically illuminatic photograph where we see a few asking for a photograph with one them wearing a rather unusual attire on marks. Well, it's nothing but a glass of soda or tea which is spilled by the person from the glass he is holding on to, because the water gets itself to be able to splash on the lady and it creates a tremendous shape making it picture photograph. Next we have When They Met. Grabbing the first spot on our list is that this photograph where we see two people rowing during a lake up for a rude awakening from a cyclist who has miraculously found himself up with the air over the water. It seems that the cyclist has lost his balance and drifted far away from the road nearby to land on the water. This photograph captures the instant where they were all safe and dry. Thank the God that the rowers are distant from the cyclist and are in not an alignment with him. So this was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want more funny and interesting facts like this, then please comment down below, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so that you can get updated with my all contents. Please like the video if you enjoy and please share it with your friends. Till then, thank you guys and stay safe. I hope we will see more interesting videos like this